I'm on a personal mission to creating 100 millionaires.
Since 2009, Shaqir Hussyin, nicknamed as the Backpack Millionaire, has been hailed as one of the most sought-after internet marketing leaders, trainers, and coaches to thousands of people.
It's very simple. Life is way too short, and you gotta make sure that every single day you're capitalizing and you're growing. What's going on, everyone? So I want to share with you a 3-step model, ABC model. I paid $35,000. Literally, I paid a lot of money to learn this from Dan Sullivan from Strategic Coach. I'm heading off to the gym right now, and I thought I'm going to share this with you because I am on fire. I literally was just spent the last couple of hours delivering a 2.5-hour workshop on how to create your own high-ticket offers. The clients invested 10 grand a pop. And so I love delivering to clients that are just motivated, they're energizing, because that's what I get fascinated by. So what is the ABC model? And the ABC model is this. A stands for annoying, B stands for okay, and C stands for motivating and fascinating. Okay, and what Dan Sullivan talks about is in each day you want to list out every single thing that you're doing, and then you want to go and do the things that are motivating. Okay, so do this exercise with me right now. Grab a pen and paper and do this, because I promise you it has the power to transform your business and your life. Why do I know this? Because I know it's working well for me. Every single day I try and do this. So let's just say today I had a gazillion and one things to do. I did a meeting that was about 35 minutes. I spent maybe 15 minutes on YouTube uploading videos and stuff, which was kind of a B task, which is okay. My meeting, which lasted for about 35 minutes, meeting was kind of irritating because, you know, I don't usually like doing calls and meetings, and I always think every single meeting is useless, because I can, after I spending 20, 30, 40 minutes on a meeting, I think to myself, I could have just sent a simple email or a 1-minute thought out text, and I would have been good to go, instead of doing a 30, 40 minute meeting. And so I find meetings to be completely useless. Not saying that they don't have their space and time. It's just, you know, I'm at a stage now where I really just don't want to do meetings. And so meetings are, let's just say, A, which is irritating. Using YouTube and uploading stuff on YouTube is okay. It's B. I would say it's irritating / it's okay because it's needed. And right now I don't have my video guy living with me. Otherwise, he would have been the person doing it, or my assistant. She doesn't live with me. And so otherwise I would have her do it. Regardless, I found a different solution, which is just to use Google Drive. And once I finish recording a video on my phone, I can just upload it on Google Drive, and boom, that will be done, and I wouldn't have to need to do anything else. Another reason why I find YouTube kind of annoying is because when I'm on YouTube and I'm uploading videos, sometimes they get uploaded, sometimes they don't, and then I sometimes start clicking and watching other videos. And I had a rule, which was just I want to remove as much social media from my life, consuming social media. So I deleted Instagram, Facebook. Today I deleted LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube. Tomorrow's podcast, I'll talk about the reasons why. But I wanted to just share with you the ABC model. And for me, you know, the most energizing and fascinating thing that I did today was simply to do 2.5 hours of coaching, 2.5 hours of delivering amazing content to my customers, to my followers and my fans and my buyers. And you know, we had clients I had one client who has been following me for like 9 years. I had another client who's like spent $50,000-$60,000 with us, and I had another client who is a $100,000 client. So, you know, this is the group that gets me energized, that gets me motivated, that gets me fascinated. And I shot a message to my team afterwards saying, guys, I just did 2.5 hours. I'm so ready to just rock this and create the best damn high ticket program there is in the entire marketplace. And it got me thinking, you know what? I want to do this more and more. I want to do the things that suck, and sure, sometimes you have to do the things that suck, you know. It's like if I made a YouTube video and there's no one around me, but I have to upload the video on YouTube, and that activity is an A or a B, sure, I'll do it. You know what I mean? I'll do it. But what I'm saying to you, and what I've learned from Dan Sullivan, is that you want to get on that stage where you're just doing things that motivate you and that fascinate you. You're doing the things that excite you. You're doing the things that has the highest leverage in your business, so that everything else is delegated. And my friends, let me tell you, this is completely transformational. When you can shift from doing the grind work by yourself, always doing everything and anything and hustling your face off and working your face off, to you transition to, hey, how do you do the only things that motivate you, fascinate you? You know, for me, speaking on stage, you know, coaching clients, selling to the mass, like not selling one-on-one, but selling to many via webinars, via on stage. Like, these things excite me, excite the heck out of me. They energize me so much. Like when I start teaching and I'm talking about a concept, because I've got so many marketing years behind me, it just flows through. I lose touch with time. I lose, you know, I'm just on fire. And it's just like, after I do the activity, I'm just so energized. Like, it's right now, it's about 8:30 or 7:30 in the evening, but I'm just so pumped and so excited. I'm heading off to the gym because I got so much energy. And you want to find the work that energizes you. You want to find the work that excites you, because when you're energetic, when you're excited, then you have enthusiasm. And when you have enthusiasm, you will sell more than anyone else, I can assure you right now. And these are the little things that makes all the difference. So I hope you got value out of the ABC model. You know, I've invested a lot of money with Dan Sullivan, and I continue to learn from him pretty much every single week through his private trainings and his exclusive classes and books and whatnot. And I want to share with you the best of what I know. So tomorrow I'm going to talk about why I've decided to remove all of these social media websites and applications from my phone. It's going to be eye-opening. It's going to be deep. And I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Bye for now. All right, so we just wrapped up. Hopefully you've enjoyed this podcast. You know what to do. Go ahead and leave me a review. That's how iTunes gives us all these ratings and stuff, and that's how other people can listen to this. Forward this podcast to a friend or a family member. Forward it to your email subscribers. Share it on your newsletter. Whatever the case is, make sure you go and take action. Information alone is not enough. It's the application that we have to do on a day-to-day basis. Now, if you're not on my newsletter, go to shaqir.com. That's shaqir.com. That's shaqir.com. I've got a free case study there that shows you a video walkthrough of the 10 income hacks that I've put together so that you can go out and build your own $1 million business. Make sure you go and register to get daily updates on my newsletter. I'm excited for you, and I'll see you on the next podcast, committed to you becoming wealthified.